Today I'm here with my brothers, Hubert, Aaron, and me, Carlos. And today we're here to look all our animals and all their names. After we zoom in, let's go. Alright, so let's move on over here to the cow. So as you can see, let's go to the cows and this one right here, let's see the pigs first, yeah? Yeah, sure. This one is named Chicharrones.
The pink one?
This one.
Mm-hmm.
And because his name is Chicharrones, it's because he's gonna turn into a chicharrone. And this one right here is named Bacon. And that one right there is named Ricky. And
The black one's Ricky, and the Oreo looking one is a Bacon.
Yeah, and if you combine their names together, it's called Ricky Bacon.
Alright, and then we got our fearsome cow. Her name is Lola. My mom took, because that's what Lola names.
Yeah, and that one down there, he doesn't really have a name that much.
Yeah, which is Big Happy Cows.
That's the mom of that cow. And so,
Let's go, guys.
let's go. That cow is very handsome. But like, alright, let's go over here.
Okay.
And right here is the goat. Now, Carlos, explain why.
Oh, well, right now the goats are pregnant right now, so we can't go inside because Goatzilla is a little overprotective because of them. So we can't really get inside.
Yeah.
But this video could still be great. Here's our fearsome and only boy, Goatzilla.
Yeah. He got some hair. Ow. Yeah, he's a different.
And here we got Brownie.
Mm-hmm.
This is a milk goat. We think she's pregnant. Then we got, there's a cow Lola, and then now there's a goat Lola.
Yes.
And get the 3 white goats. There's 1,
1,
2,
3. 1, 2.
what's the third one? And here's the third one. Second one, first one. There's the goats. Now let's continue on.
Oh.
And now we have the other cow.
This one is named.
This one doesn't have a name, the one that's scared. Well, that one right here, his name is Garasada.
Carnasada. And he just licked his nose.
Mm-hmm. Yep. These are cute cows and they just had milk.
Yeah. We just fed them.
Mm-hmm. Now let's continue on. Here we got one of our favorite pets we have here, the Silkies.
Their fur feels like silk. They don't really have like feathers. They have fur. But in their wings they do have feathers, but you can't really see them.
Yeah, he's a couple of them. Now what's his name? What's her name?
It's Dr. Range. I don't think he has a name on it. And the other silky right there.
Don't forget that one.
Yeah, that one, he doesn't really have a name. And he's shy.
All right, we will let them go for the lucky me.
Bye guys. Be careful for the rain, Dr. Range.
Mira, el pato anda molestando a los pollitos.
Yep. That's in the natural way.
We also have our fearsome guinea. We also got one of the ducks here.
There's another one.
Here's the duck. They really don't have any name because we can't remember anything for one of them.
Sí, se llaman las lolas.
Oh yeah, they're called the Lolas. All of them are called Lolas. Like I said, a cow Lola, a goat Lola, and also the duck Lola.
That one, I want that one's name right there, the brown one. I want its name to be Brownie too.
Huh, okay.
Brownie.
So now,
That's his name. That's the only one
let's
that's
continue
not
on.
Lola.
Let's continue on.
We have a guinea here, but it's hard to see, but you can see. We have our fishes here.
We have catfish, bass fish, many type of fish you'll find usually on the river. got lily pads, and all sorts of plant life
I
here.
want a frog.
It's a beautiful ecosystem, one small crater box.
As we continue on,
We can see our little pond, the duck's favorite spot.
then we got our chickens everywhere.
Running around freely and just having fun.
¿Qué quieres
Now we
hacer?
have a chicken coop. Well, and later I can sleep here. The net is the top where the hawks don't get them.
Also, here's what was the egg? An egg.
What type of egg is it?
It's a duck or a chicken.
Oh.
Pato.
It's a duck egg. And this
tiene
one is
popó.
covered with poop.
Ujú.
So let's put it back.
Ponlo allí arriba para lavarlo después.
Now we have these birds. It says they only live for like a couple months, but they are pretty delicious.
And also, they're really
Ujú. Así se llaman, cuyos.
Feel.
Now as we carry on,
There's a rooster.
we have our roosters in here. And look, here we have a mother chicken with her babies, with their chicks.
As we continue on, we have some pigeons. As you can see, beautiful, majestic pigeons.
Go over, guys.
Yeah, beautiful pigeons. And there's some new birds right
Se llaman faisanes.
Those are faisanes. The old
Oh,
bad
those?
Those are the new ones.
Faisanes.
El de abajo, falta el de abajo, Carlitos.
All right. As we carry on here, we got our beautiful rabbits. We got one of the Chungus, Snowball, and what's the last one you did?
Chocolate.
And then we also got the other bunny. And what's his name?
His name is Lola.
Lola.
Yes, Lola.
Well, we got a good Lola, a cow Lola, a duck Lola. And now, as we see the rabbits, we just recently see babies.
No, déjenlo ahí. No lo toquen, pero que los vean en el video.
The rabbit thing.
You're so
It's a rabbit baby.
Where'd the guy?
So
Cute.
ujú.
Hi, Big Chungus. Big Chungus is protected.
Es su hijo.
I know. Chungus, you're all protected, obviously. No, Big Chungus, we won't hurt him.
Open aquí, Carlitos.
Open the gate. There. Then we got a couple more rabbits.
Al otro lado, al otro lado.
Yeah. Oh, this is the newly born ones.
Open it.
It's hard to see, but we got a couple rabbits in here. They're so cute. They were just
Seven baby rabbits. 3 days ago.
3 days ago. There's seven baby rabbits, born 3 days ago.
Close.
I see a black and white one. Now they need to be warm and fuzzy. Man, this one. Not this one.
No, you don't open that one.
And now, did we just go right here?
Bye, Big Chungus.
No, el de bebé de bichón está ahí. Mm. No, deja ahí la coneja cierra para que nadie entre a molestar a sus bebés. Ujú.
Is there anything in here?
No, ahí estaba él y se cambió de lugar.
So soon we're gonna put more of these for the rabbits to have more babies.
Brown like big chunky.
Es hijo de bichongues.
Then you got
hija.
Lola, the rabbit Lola.
Ella es Lola.
Beautiful head.
Oh, ya
Then
se
you
fue.
got the two pigeons right there, just quite friendly. And over there we have our new bird.
This is my
Ella, venga sin porque se están asustando un poquito. Aarón, no te puedes poner tanto la Conner porque asustas a los pájaros.
That also my favorite rock. Hey, look, big chungus.
Yeah, he knows his son right there.
Oh, that's his son? Yeah, it's her son.
Now let's continue on.
Sí, bichongues en chocolate. Chocolate es la mamá de estos.
Oh, see?
Ujú.
Well, she covered it up with dirt.
Yo, Grandpa Huber.
Yes, I'm grandpa.
7 kids.
I'm a grandpa of 7 too. Mommy, isn't that my rabbit?
¿Mm?
Isn't that my rabbit?
Tu rabbit es el white one.
That one?
Sí,
It's
también.
ones.
¿Aarón? Ok, lo olvidé.
My son.
Ok.
Quicksilver.
Ujú.
You can see where I got his name from.
Ok, digan adiós entonces ya.
Bye, rabbit.
forget, like and subscribe, and be careful of chicken poop. Bye!